All right, so you're really not going to be able to see much, but I had to. Yeah, see, you can't see in there. But inside there, there's two ball gears where the big axle goes in, and there's a, I don't know, 6-inch cotter pin through the shaft that holds on that bull gear. And once you remove that, it allows you to slide this whole thing out. So I never needed to take that damn nut off to begin with. This is what happens when you learn as you go. Either way, everything here now is free. I have it safely hooked up to a 40-year-old 2x6. That shouldn't crush and kill me. Safety approved. Anyways, we're going to try and move this multiple 100-pound tube of steel on my own and hope to be able to get this off, because here's our main issue. See all that? I ground it down and tried to weld it last year, but all this shit was still attached. So my grinding nor my welding was perfect, obviously, because I'm an idiot. And then I put some JB weld on to help seal the crack, and as you can see, that did not work. And basically anything in the transmission from here up would just leak out the crack. Like 5 gallons, maybe more, I don't even fucking know. But yeah, so that's where we're at. And I get this off, then I can grind it on a bench, weld it, clean it, blah, 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 whatever. Yeah. I'll be back with the next progress update. Hopefully I still have all my limbs.